Sinead, just be very careful, love. Mind your ankles on here. These are so slippery. All it takes is for your ankle to get caught down there and you're knackered. It's air ambulance time. And look how deep some of them go. Really deep. Are you coming?
Are we going all the way back?
No, we're going to go back that way. Are you sure? Oh God, one of them will lose. Right, guys. Just split all the plants. It's really slippy, that. I've only gone over a couple of times. But I've just spotted what looks like a cave that we might go camping. So we're going to go and have a look at that now. Yep, I'm going to have a quick look at her. I'll find Sinead. She was down here, but now she's gone. Just left my bag there in a minute. Sinead's still up there making her way along somewhere. I'm just going to go and see if this is accessible for if I think she'll be able to get into it. Because she's petrified of heights. I am, to be fair, like, but this isn't too bad here. Not too bad.